Hello and welcome guys. Today I want to share my review of SiteTravelPro. This software promises done for you one-click travel sites that are going to make you some serious money, but does it deliver? That's what we're going to cover in today's review. I'm going to walk you through the sales page so we can identify exactly what this product is promising. I want to share that with you so when we jump inside and I give you a full SiteTravelPro demo, you can see whether it delivers on those promises or not, and more importantly guys, whether you're actually going to make any money. Spoiler alert guys, there are some serious issues with this software, so before you spend your hard-earned cash, make sure you stay tuned and watch the entire review today. My review of SiteTravelPro is based on my own experience and my own opinions, and I want to share those with you so you can make an informed decision if you're looking to buy products just like this. And if you are looking to make some serious money online, I have something really special for you. In the link in the description below this video, you can get access to a free training program that's going to walk you through the initial steps of setting up a profit ready business in less than 7 days guys. All you need to do is hit the link, head over to schoolofaffiliates.com and go and grab yourself that free training. So we're on the sales page of SiteTravelPro. Leverage the post-pandemic fast recovering US dollars of 716 billion travel and tourism industry. Yes, it is a massive industry. We all want to get out there and go on holiday and start enjoying ourselves again. But can you leverage this software, SiteTravelPro, to make some money from all of that travel? This is a one-click app that auto creates a self-updating travel website in less than 60 seconds. Straight away guys, you need to use some common sense. If this is creating a self-updating website for you with content on there, where is it getting that content from? Now you have to remember, you have to abide by plagiarism rules. You can't steal other people's content. If this website is doing that, then you're going to have some serious issues. And if you start making money, start getting some real traction, which I very much doubt you're going to do with SiteTravelPro, but if you do, you are going to run into some serious problems. But does it work that way? We're going to see when we get inside. Instantly load 700,000 plus hotels, 4,000 airlines, all of the good stuff, everything you need to build a full travel site. It's AI powered software, activates your own travel site, target up to 1.4 billion travelers, get started immediately, pay once and profit forever. 100% hosted and reliable cloud servers. We have no guarantee of that until they start overloading the servers with people with these websites. Now, age, skill and experience, no bar. 169 beta testers. Now, I'm going to jump over to another website here because they reckon there's 169 beta testers that have made over $300,000 using this tool. Now you can do a simple check guys when you're looking at products like this. Go and get the domain name and you can check the domain name age as I've done right here. If you want to use this tool yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. It's completely free guys, but what it's going to tell us is how old is this domain. If we check the domain age, it's going to show us here that this domain is 25 days old. Do you think that 169 beta testers have already made $300,000 plus in under 25 days when the website's only just gone live? Very, very unlikely. And so what is SiteTravelPro going to cost you? It's going to cost you $17. There's a whole host of upsells along the way, giving you unlimited stuff and all that. I'm not going to cover any of that today because the essential part is the initial flagship product needs to work. If it doesn't work, there's no point you spending any money on any of those upgrades. And in my opinion, this is not going to work, but make sure you stay tuned because I am going to explain everything. So it's 3 simple steps. You're going to log in, you're going to enter your site name, and you're going to watch the app instantly create a completely automated site, and away you go. You start getting paid. It's as simple as that guys. Now I could keep scrolling down. They're going to show us all sorts of different testimonials. Now it may seem fantastic, $17, whoa, we could build a whole money making site. It's worth a go for $17. But $17 is still $17 guys, and if it doesn't work, it's a waste of money no matter how much it costs. You can see the revenue shots here that are completely irrelevant because they have no relation to the product at all. I think that's enough of the sales page. Just jump inside and go and have a look. So when you go and buy it, if you decide to after watching this review, this is the dashboard you're going to come to. Down the left we've got our menu, we've got our manage any of our sites we've created. You've got your website settings, you can manage your pages, you've got your affiliate settings, that's the important part guys because that's how you're going to make money. You've got your blog campaigns, manage articles, ads manager, your password, training, all that stuff. Yes, there's some training here. If you go over to the training part, you'll see there's videos for every aspect. They're very short and sweet, but this is really easy to use, guys. I'll give them that. It is easy to use and it is done for you. But here comes the problems. Right, let's go back to the dashboard. And what we want to do is build a new site. You can see all of your other sites that are created are here. We're going to create a brand new site. You can either select a name, which means it's going to be under their subdomain, which means you are never going to rank on Google because you're just a subdomain of a website that's hosting multiple different websites, all of which, by the way, are exactly the same. So every person that buys this software has the exact same website. So how are you going to get traffic for that? I mean, you can go and use social media. If you have a following on social media, by all means, you can go and use that to leverage that following and drive traffic to that website. But essentially what you want to do, building a website, we want to get traffic free from Google. And how are we going to do that when we're competing against potentially thousands of other people with exactly the same site? It's impossible, guys. This is where SiteTravelPro completely falls over. Then you can add a custom domain if you want to do so. Much better idea, but still it's not going to work because you are still building the exact same website as everybody else. You've also got a website that you can host on WordPress as well, and you can do it through that way by adding a plugin. It's all explained in those videos. Very simple. We're going to do a very basic one. We're going to do a website name. I'm going to call it Happy Hotel. This is under their subdomain. We're going to submit that, and you can see it right in the middle there, Happy Hotels. We can edit that if we want. We can also go on to the next setting. So website settings, we're going to have a look at that. Now that's the next thing you need to set up. You need to go and choose a website logo, contact email, all of your about stuff, your social links, all of the stuff that you need on that website to make it functional. That's where you put in there. The next step is setting up your affiliate settings. Now you need to go and apply for your affiliate ID from booking.com, hotel.com, because they are the two sites you're going to be sending people to. That's how you make money, for people booking hotels. Then you've got this news API. You need to apply for that. That is where they're going to go and get some of the content from, because what we need to do is build out content to rank on Google. Otherwise, what's the point of having content? You need content to rank on Google. Remember, we're not going to rank on Google anyway because we're part of a subdomain that just simply isn't going to work, and the strategies that you're using. Now, the next part is this blog campaign. But what I want to do first, I want to go and show you this website. So if you go back to the dashboard, you can see all of the websites here. We can click on one of these. I'll click on a random one that's been created before, and you can see that is what it looks like. Yeah, it looks fairly nice. Now, it has a pop-up, lovely. These you can't do anything with. We can't click on that or anything, none of that stuff. This stuff, we can't click on that. We can click on the actual text there, which will send us through to some content. We'll have a look in a minute at that. But if we come back and go to the one that we've just created, it's like deja vu, guys. It's exactly the same pop-up, same features, same everything. Text, everything is the same, guys. You're never going to compete like that. The only difference you're going to have is when you create this blog, you're going to be adding blog content onto here, and you can see there's nothing on this site. We can see if there's anything on the other site, and again they've added some content into this one. So these are the sort of blog posts that you're going to get. Now what I recommend with these blog posts, remember I'm going to show you how they do all of this in just a second, but we want to check whether this is unique content, because if it's not, if they've stolen other people's content, then you are going to face some serious issues, as I said at the beginning of this video. Not only that, but you're never going to rank on Google. Google's far too clever for that. Now, I took one of these posts, these blog posts, before this video, and I run a plagiarism check on it. If we go and have a look at that, you can see that one of their posts, I only took half of the post because this is a free tool and it allows up to 1,000 words, and the post was 2,000 words. I've checked that and it is 100% plagiarized. There is no unique content. They've stolen this from somewhere else. That is real bad news, guys. So if we head back over here, this is where you're going to create your blog campaigns, and inside here you create a blog. You've got no way to edit this content, by the way. All you can do, you can use your own RSS feed if you want to do that. If you want to steal someone's content from a website, you can put their URL in here and you can steal their content. If you want to steal it from their database, you can go in here, you can select any of the websites. And to do that, you need to add in this news API key, as we discussed earlier, or you can create blog content through keyword search. And again, you need that news API key. You're going to search for a keyword and it's going to bring back content from other websites. All of this is plagiarized, stolen content, guys, they're publishing on this website. It's a real serious issue, and you're never going to get traffic that way. So the website actually looks fairly good. You know, they look fairly good, although they are all exactly the same. You can see that from here. Everything works pretty well. I mean, if you go onto the hotel searches, we can search for hotels on here, but when you come down and you look at these bookings here, we can't do anything with it. We can't click on any of it, so that isn't working. And if people can't click on anything, it means you can't make any affiliate commission, which is completely worthless. We can also check out the flight stuff, which is going to show you all the flights, but again, unless you put ads in here, there's nowhere to make commission from these flights unless they're booking through booking.com and hotels.com. But essentially, all of this is completely worthless. Yes, it builds sites for you, but if you don't get any traffic to these sites, you don't make any money. It's as simple as that. And do you really think someone's going to come in here? Look, the first thing they're going to click on at the top of the page doesn't actually click on it. They're going to go away to a legitimate site like booking.com or hotels.com or somewhere like that, and they're going to go and book directly through them. They're not going to come through this website. So in my opinion, guys, I think that SiteTravelPro is a complete waste of your time. You're not going to make any money using this tool. Not only is it going to be exactly the same website as every other person apart from that blog content, but you are stealing content. I've shown you that on this plagiarism checker. It's 100% plagiarized content. That's just one of the posts that they've created. Not only that, but they've lied to you on that sales page, said there's 169 beta testers. We've seen that the domain is only 25 days old. There's no way they're doing that, and the website isn't working properly, guys. So in my opinion, don't waste your money, guys. What I recommend, if you want to build a legitimate affiliate website and make some real money, and you want to do it all for free, cost you absolutely nothing, using only free tools, then watch the video on the screen right now.